Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this particular video on the PL-990x from Tecsun is quite popular, and I've got some great comments. And if we go down here near the bottom, there are several comments from this gentleman right here, and he's tested the 990, and he's saying it's not that good. And I'm going to show you his channel. And there was another comment. Oh, here's another huge comment with loads of detail. And I think, is this the one? Yeah. He said I would wait for the new Tecsun 990X2. He's got one on order. So hopefully he'll do some videos on that, and I can decide whether I want to get one of those. But now let's go to right to his. Okay, here's his YouTube channel, and here's some of his most recent videos, and they're all on the 990X. And one like this one I just watched is versus the PL-680, which I have, and I like my 680 very well. And he gives some really good insight to the audio, especially on the new PL-990. And he has convinced me not to buy one, especially because the cost right now. The availability on Amazon is there's only one dealer, and he's asking $1,200. So anyway, check out his channel. Here it is right here. And I go to his videos. He's got other videos, but these are the most recent videos that he's done in the past couple weeks. Maybe after he saw my video, he wanted to get some information out there about the 990. And check it out. And I appreciate him making the comments and letting me know that he had those videos so I can watch them. Like I say, I've watched this one, and I plan to watch all of them on the 990, even though I have already made up my mind and decided not to get one. So that's it. Again, thank him for his videos. Check him out, and have a great day. Bye-bye.